Okay, so since that phone call interrupted my video, I'm going to have to see if this splices together nicely. So I've taken the crown and the hood pieces, and because I had already faced them and finished them, I decided to just do a seam or a butt to butt seam. I started from the center, see my knots are period, and I'm going around that piece. So when I open it up, forgive me, I'm still on my lap. Woohoo! It'll end up looking like that. See, nice and pretty. All right, now the next section. Okay, the next section was kind of difficult to understand because she has listed cut 2 3-inch strips of linen long enough to match your bands. Sew each linen strip onto the edge of your bands, folding over. Tuck a braid in from step 14, fold the raw edges in and stitch down. This gives you a new linen lining to each band, complete with a braid inside for securing to your head. I'm thinking that she wanted 2 linen linings to make a casing in here for ties. So this is what my brain is telling me after reading it about 7 times, that this is what she wanted. There is no photos of hers at this point. This is why this is all supposition. So I'm supposing this is what it is. So what I've done is I've taken the back band and I have cut 2, not just 1, linen linings so that I can put the cords in here to attach it to, easier to have it attached to my head. So what I've done is I've created 2 casings, and I'll finish up the edges to make it look prettier later. But I think this is what it was supposed to be. So first I did it as an actual casing, put the thing in there, and then the second one I just folded it over, called it good. And then I just, well, one side's of course done up pretty. The other side is now stitched down with a machine, which can be taken out and done by hand or covered or something cute later on. So while we did that other piece first, now she wants us to add this front band and have it cross over onto the crown and make it look cute. I'm thinking at this point, it's all going to have to be done by hand to make it look cute enough. Then after that, then we add the back band here, and we put a drawstring in around there so we can cinch this up in the back. At that point, we're getting close to being done, and we'll put in some wool roving or those scrubbies, the plastic scrubbies. That's what my friend in the theater says, to make it big, puff out. Unless, of course, you are blessed with long flowing hair and you can do lots of braids. I am not, and I need to fake it. So hopefully I'll see how far I get on this. I've decided that I went and I ironed it down so I have a flat panel, and then I'm going to do a pick stitch to put this on. Not only is it period, it's cute and it's a little decorative from the outside, it's also a very good hand sewing stitch. So we'll work on that, and this might be the end of the video. So instead of taking time to make sure it's all hand stitched down, I decided to machine baste it. Why machine? Because I'm sitting in front of the machine. So this is how the front looks. And I've added a little more pleats into the hood section because I initially cut this piece too long because I didn't bother to measure it early. Alright, now I'll flip over, and here's the back. You can tell where we have done the whip stitch in the back to butt area, and then I will get this sorted a little better when hand stitched, but here you can tell on the back that this is the whole crown section here, and then you add the front band here. Now this is facing my face, is that way. This is facing the back of my head, just in case you know, sometimes things get screwed up on a video. So you notice that the little band, the front band, tucks in over the back band. So the back band kind of gets put on last. Well, actually, there's going to be a casing that I'm going to hand sew around there and toss in some more of these lovely twill tapes. I love this twill tape. I get it by the huge bucket full. Well, it's 144 yards for $8 from Wawak. I use it for everything. So that's it, I guess, except for all the finishing touches, and that won't be done today. But at least I can try it on, make it look pretty. Yes, there is a tuck right here that will be fixed by hand sewing. So hope I remember how to do this next time. No, you don't have to have a striped fabric and make it all line up. It just happened that it was striped, and I'm a little anal retentive at times. As you can tell, the back band doesn't fit that section very well. It could be that I could just work on it a little more and make it line up. And there we go. Have a good day.